regular expression to NFA and NFA to DFA conversion. Let's take an example. Suppose we have RE A star B star. Suppose we have regular expression A star B star. Then how we are going to make NFA? Start with the initial state Q naught, and there is a loop. Make a loop of A on Q naught, and Q naught to Q1 make it a nation of epsilon, and give a loop of B on Q1. So this is A star B star. Or we can write like this also. Start with the initial state Q naught, make a loop of A on Q naught to Q1 give a transition of B, and on Q1 give a loop of B. So in both are NFA, and in both way we can make NFA. So Q0 and Q1 both will be the final state. Q0 and Q1 both will be the final state. Now we can convert that NFA into DFA. In the similar way we can write Q0 with the transition of A, a self loop of A, and Q0 to Q1 B transition and a loop of B on Q1. But this is the same as NFA, but one important thing is trap state, which need to show in the DFA. So we take another state Q2. Here both the transition on Q0 A and B, but in Q1 only B transition is there, A is not there. So we'll write A is here and the loop of AB on Q2. So this is called our trap state or dead state. This is called DFA. So this is NFA and this is DFA. So how many states in NFA? 2 states. Number of states are 2. While in DFA, how many states? Number of states are 3. Number of states are 3. So now move to the next. Suppose we have regular expression A star B, B star, A star. So how we are going to make NFA? Start with the initial state Q0, make a loop of A on Q0, and Q0 to Q1 write B, and make a loop of B on Q1, and Q1 to Q2 write epsilon and a loop of A on Q2. So this is our NFA. This is our NFA. So what will be the final state? Final state will be Q1 and Q2. Q1 and Q2. This is our NFA. Now we are going to make a DFA in the similar way. Q0, a loop of A on Q0, Q0 to Q1 B, and the loop of B on Q1, and Q1 to Q2 A, and the loop of A on Q2. This is our DFA. Instead of epsilon we can write here A, but trap state is required, must here. So we write trap state here. A transition B transition from Q0, B transition A transition of from Q1, and Q2 only A transition is there, so B will go to the trap state, and Q3 AB transition. So this is trap state or dead state. So this is our DFA. This is our NFA and this is our DFA. So Q1 and Q2 will be the final state. Q1 and Q2 will be the final state. Here Q0 can be the final state. Why? Because B transition will be there, either A star, B star. A star will not be present because star can be epsilon, but B will be there. That's why Q0 cannot be a final state. Q1 and Q2 will be the final state. So now move to the next. Suppose we have A plus B A star. So how we are going to make NFA? From Q0 to Q1 A, and Q1 to Q2. Q0 to Q1 A, and Q1 to Q0 B. A, B. So Q0 will be the final state, and in the similar way Q0 to Q2 B, and Q2 to Q0 A. B, A. AB plus BA whole star. So Q0 will be the final state. So this is our NFA. How we are going to make a DFA? In the similar way, Q0 to Q1 A, Q1 to Q0 B, Q0 to Q2 B, and Q2 to Q0 A. So AB plus BA. Q0 will be the final state, but trap state should be represented here in DFA. So Q0 A and B transition is there. From Q1 B transition is there, but A transition is not there. So it will go to the trap state. In Q2, A transition is there, but B transition is not there, so it will go to the trap state and AB self loop for AB. So this is our trap state or dead state. So this is DFA. This is NFA and this is DFA for AB plus BA whole star. Now move to the next. Suppose we have A plus B whole star Redel expression. So how we are going to make a DFA or NFA? Q naught as initial and final state and make a self loop of AB. So this is our NFA and DFA both. But this is not A star B star. This is A plus B whole star. How we are going to make A star B star? In the first example we have seen. This is our A star B star. And this is A plus B whole star. In this, as we know, in the alphabet, A and B both are there and both are present in this state. So no one can go to the trap state. So DFA and NFA will be the same. Now move to the next example. Suppose we have A star B star C star. So start with the initial state Q naught, self loop of A on Q naught to Q1, epsilon, self loop of B on Q1 to Q2, epsilon, self loop of C on Q2. So because A star B star C star, so all will be the final state Q naught, Q1 and Q2, and this is our NFA because here epsilon is there. Now we are going to make a DFA Q naught as initial state and make a self loop of A on Q naught and Q naught to Q1 B transition and Q1 loop of B and Q1 to Q2 transition of C and the loop of C on Q2. Here we can see clearly that here we can give the epsilon in NFA, but in DFA we cannot give the epsilon. We have to give the any transition of alphabet. So this is our DFA, but one more important thing, trap state. And so here transition of A is there from Q naught, transition of B is there from Q naught, but we can give Q naught to Q2, C transition is also there. So from A all the transitions are there, from B transition is there, C transition is there, but A transition is not there, so it will go to the trap state. And in Q2 C transition is there, but A and B transitions are not there, so it will go to the trap state and the self loop of A, B, C. So this is our trap state or dead state. So this is our DFA for Redel expression A star B star C star. This is NFA and this is DFA. Now move to the next example. Suppose we have A star as a regular expression. So what will be the NFA? Initial state as the final state and the loop of A, because as we know in alphabet only we have A and A is present here, so there will be no trap state. So this is our NFA and this will be our DFA both. So in both cases there is no trap state for DFA and both are same NFA or DFA, because all alphabets are whatever alphabets we have all are present in this state. So there is no trap state is required. So this is our NFA and DFA, A plus B whole star and A star also. So in that way we can convert our regular expression to NFA and NFA to DFA.